Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be cooking goat meat pepper soup. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be making use of. Here I have crayfish, and this is the pepper soup spice, which is the main spice for a better taste. Here I have calabash nutmeg, and this is only nutmeg, normal nutmeg. This is ginger powder. Check out, I'm going to be leaving a link on how to make your own ginger powder in this video so that you can be able to make this ginger powder by yourself. It tastes very good. This is leaves, uziza leaves and potassium leaves. I'm only going to be making use of it just to calm down the sweet taste. I also have salt for taste, and then I have the onions itself. As you can see, I'm making use of a lot of onions. Pepper soup needs a lot of onions, and I have my seasoning cubes also there. So stay tuned and watch how I do this. First and foremost, you have to add the meat into the pot. The meat is already washed, so I'm adding it in the pot. I'm going to be steaming the meat before the process of cooking. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is the onions. For this goat meat pepper soup steaming process, all the ingredients for the pepper soup comes in right now. They have to steam with the meat before I add water. So I'm going to be adding up all the ingredients. This is the pepper soup spice. The cube seasoning is also going to come in. Here I have crayfish. I am also going to add it to the meat, and then the salt for taste. As you can see that I added all the ingredients as part of the seasoning. So I'm going to turn it and allow it to season. Now, so the idea of adding all the ingredients into this meat for the seasoning process is for you to also get the taste of the ingredients into the meat as well. It will easily enter into the meat. So I'm going to be covering it. After I must have steamed the meat for a while, I'm going to be adding water. I made sure that I did not add water to this pot, and I also reduced the heat in order for it not to just get burned. So I'm going to be adding hot water. I also like to use hot water when I steam meat, so that the process of cooking will continue from there. So I will make sure that I add enough water that is going to cook this meat, and also that will be left for the pepper soup. The only ingredient I did not add now is the leaf that will make it bitter and a little bit spicy. So I will add it later when the meat is already done. Cover the pot and cook till the meat is done. I want to also add pepper. I'm making use of fresh pepper, so I'm just going to add it here. Let it cook with the meat. After about an hour cooking, I'm going to be adding the soju that will calm the taste down. You remember I added the pepper, so it's as good as blended. I'll be testing it also for salt to know if there is enough salt or spice on it. It's okay. I'm going to be adding this leaf I told you. This will calm the sweetness of this pepper soup down. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to be checking if the meat is done. The goat meat pepper soup is finally ready. You can enjoy this soup with agidi, boiled rice or boiled yam. You can as well eat it just as it is. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.